Okay, this is the phone. I'm coming to replace the LCD. The first thing you have to do, you have to take out the SIM tray first. Remove the SIM tray, put it one side. Okay, then if you have nails, you can use your nails, try to open it right round. Okay, if you don't have the nails, you can just use a pen set. Okay, it's a clip, just try to open the clip right round. Open it right round, very nice. And be careful for your fingerprint cable, don't open the cover full. Take your time when you open the cover so you don't spoil the fingerprint cable. Okay, okay, you open it this way, then you disconnect the fingerprint cable from here. Okay, take out the cover, put it one side. Okay, now you need to take out this first screw to remove this panel on top. Okay, after I take out, remove this panel, disconnect the battery. Okay, this is the LCD cable, disconnect the LCD cable also. Okay, now you need to take out the battery. You need to find something that is not that sharp, like this one. Don't use sharp things so you don't spoil the battery. Then you try to ace the battery up. Okay, you do it slowly, you don't spoil the battery. Okay, that's why you need something that is not too sharp so you don't spoil the battery. Okay, open the battery. Okay, put it one side. This is the LCD cable, remove the LCD cable. Okay, now you need to put that heat machine at least for 10 to 15 minutes if you have the heat machine at home. If you don't have it, just try to force to remove it. Just open it because you don't need this LCD anymore. Okay, after you hit it and make it more easy for you to open. If you don't have the heater, just force to open it. Okay, because this LCD is not good, you don't need to worry about it. Okay, open it. Already hit my own. Take out the LCD. Remove all those small glass right around. Okay, make sure you clean all the glue right around the phone very nice so that the new glue can fix properly. Remove all those small glue right around the phone, very nice. Okay, remove them all, clean it very nice. Okay, okay, after you clean everything, okay, before you apply the glue, please make sure you test the LCD first because sometimes even the new LCD is not good. Okay, make sure you test it first before you put the glue. Okay, okay, now you need to put the glue right around the phone very nice. Don't put on top the sensor, okay, so the phone will not malfunction. Just put close to the sensor. Don't put on top the speaker, okay, and the front camera also don't put on top the front camera, just put it close to it like this. Okay, then you put the glue very nice right on the phone at the edge of the phone. Just put it very nice at the edge. Okay, after you put the glue right on the phone, okay, now you need to fix the LCD. Make sure you take out the warranty sticker from the side so that the LCD can rest properly from the side also. Okay, then this cable you need to pass it here. Just pass the cable here like this, very nice. Okay, then you put the LCD very straight, don't bend it. Put it very straight like this, very nice. Okay, then you fix the connector. Get the right position before you press it in so you don't lose spoil the connection on the board. Okay, then make way for the battery to rest properly. Now you put the battery back. Make sure you fix the battery terminal first before you put the battery down so you don't lose the position of the battery. Okay, now you need to put back this panel and replace back all the screw you take out. Replace all the screw. Okay, don't leave any screw. Make sure you replace all the screw you take out, the four screw here. After you replace the screw, okay, now before you fix the back cover, you make sure you fix the fingerprint cable first. This one, you have to be very skillful to do it. Okay, just bend the cable like this. Make sure you get the right position before you press it in. Fix it inside very nice like this. Okay, then you put the cover. Just close it. Very nice. Close it right now. Okay. Put back the SIM tray. Okay. If you have a rubber like this, you can use at least for 30 minutes so that the glue become dry. If you don't have a rubber like, you can still use later so that the screen will dry a bit before you take it out. Okay. Just for 30 minutes, then take it out so the glue become dry. Okay. After you take it out, just remove the plastic. The LCD is very clean, and the other one in the side, just use your finger, just clean it like this. Become very clean. Okay. On the phone to test the LCD. As you can see, the logo already show that will show that the LCD is okay. Everything is good. That means it's okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.